November the 4th, where we have a 10%. Well, we have two things going on this map. We have a 10% tornado chance. That's what the yellow area is. And then the black hatched area, which means the threat of strong tornadoes. So that would be tornadoes EF2 or greater. So Friday is absolutely going to be a day to look out. Possible tornado outbreak? We don't know. Got to keep an eye on things. In terms of other percentages, severe wind chance, 30% for the same general area, and then a 15% severe hail chance for quite a large area.